So I've been doing a few unboxings here and there the last few years, but I wanted to go ahead and start, well, I've done this last year too, to repackage all of my old phones and unbox them for you now, and to kind of see, to think back to the iPhone 14s, the iPhone, 13s, 12s, to see how much stuff Apple has pretty much removed from our packaging. Not only Apple, but a lot of other developers too, a lot of other manufacturers like Google, Samsung. It's crazy to see how big and thick these boxes used to be on an iPhone 7 from 2017. Now, I think this is the box that I was sent for this specific iPhone. Probably not that I think about it. But if you think about it, this type of iPhone, 32 gigabytes, this was the base model. Nowadays, it's about 128. But to unbox it, we pretty much took the top portion off. And then we would normally have the iPhone, 7 in this case right here. Now, this was the unoriginal box. This iPhone was like the rose gold color. This one was, I think, the pink one. I don't even know what was going on. Maybe it was the same color. Maybe it, kind of weared out over time. But essentially, you would get the iPhone 7 as soon as you go ahead and boot up the box the first time. Now, turning it on, I don't think this iPhone 7 has any battery life in it. But that was essentially that. The fact that we had the iPhone, 7 as soon as you saw it, whatever, we already know it. But it's everything inside the box that's actually crazy to me. So once you go ahead and take this portion off, you had the little pamphlet inside as well, which I honestly don't know if this was the original. Okay, so it looks like there's nothing in here, totally okay. But then you had the accessories. Apple has removed, and so has so many other manufacturers, removed so much of what we used to get within an iPhone box. So we used to get this little charging block inside, which was actually really cool. So we could go ahead and just plug in our Apple charger inside of here, charge up our devices. This no longer comes inside of the box. But we also had, this was the big thing, earpods. The fact that Apple just gave us earpods right out of the box was insane, and that I can't even imagine Apple doing anything remotely close to this at all anymore. In fact, Apple's making a VR headset, and from what I've heard, it looks like we're going to be getting our own headphones that we have to buy in order to listen to audio. So the fact that we actually had earpods built in within these headphones was actually awesome that Apple just gave us to these for free. And then we had the charging cable as well, and this one is just one I had laying around. But just get that through your head. The fact that Apple gave us the charging cable, earpods, and the charging block at the same time in a massive box, it's actually really awesome. And nowadays, we obviously don't get that type of material anymore. But when I look back to even 2016, I think Apple started shifting things, I think in 2019 or 2020. It's very, very crazy to me to see what all has changed. I feel like in this day and age, with all the phones that we have, I feel like I wouldn't be surprised if they removed the charging cable now. But I still think it would have been awesome had we had a little bit more capability. If they just gave us the charging block or gave us something else besides the charging cable, I think that would be awesome. But regardless, that's a quick unboxing of the iPhone 7 and a rant. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.